chance. Here it goes. Please, sir, could you give my daddy a red cross for all the things that he's done and all the things that he's lost? His valor, it shines through no matter what the cross. So please, sir, could you pin on daddy the shiny red cross? Please, sir, could you pin on daddy a purple heart for the wounds that he has healed and the world he lives apart? His caring eyes, they oversee the goodness of his heart. So please, sir, could you pin on daddy shiny purple heart? Sir, could you also give me something to make daddy proud of me? In my selfishness and righteousness I've forgotten how to be. Yellow guitar is all I have to write a song